Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Karna Maths Academy. Today's topic is polynomials. Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss one of the most important questions from polynomials, which is frequently asked in SE examination. Here we go. Dear students, the question is solve x³ minus 8x square plus 19x minus 12 equals to 0. So dear students, we are given a polynomial equation and we have to solve. And by solving, we have to find the value of x, which are also called the roots of the polynomial equation. Dear students, by solving this, we'll find out the roots of the given polynomial equation. So here, we'll use the factor theorem and synthetic division method to find out the roots of the given polynomial equation. Roots means the value of x, which satisfy the given polynomial equation. Dear students, the first step is we have to suppose the given polynomial as fx. Let fx equals x³ minus 8x square plus 19x minus 12. Dear students, at first we suppose the given polynomial x³ minus 8x square plus 19x minus 12 equals to fx. The value of fx is equal to 0. Dear students, now to factorize this polynomial, at first we have to find out all the possible factors of the constant term 12. All the possible factors of 12. Dear students, in order to factorize the polynomial x³ minus 8x square plus 19x minus 12, at first we have to find out all the possible factors of the constant term. In this polynomial, the constant term is 12. The possible factors of 12 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, and plus minus 12. Dear students, possible factors of 12 means the numbers which divide 12 exactly. The numbers which divide the constant term 12 exactly are called the possible factors of 12. So here the possible factors of 12 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, and plus minus 12. So all these possible factors divide the constant term 12 exactly. Dear students, now the next step is we choose the value of x, which will satisfy the given equation, the given polynomial equation. That means when we take the value of x and put the value of x in the given polynomial equation, then it must give the value 0, because the polynomial equation is x³ minus 8x square plus 19x minus 12 equals to 0. So after taking the value of x, after putting the value of x in the given polynomial equation, it must be equal to 0. So when we put the value of x equals to 1, dear students, our polynomial equation is x³ minus 8x square plus 19x minus 12, which is equal to 0. Now when we put the value of x1, either we have to take the value of x1 or 2 or 3. The value of x which we take must give the value of polynomial equals to 0. So dear students, when we take the value of x1 and put the value of x in the given polynomial, then we get 1³ minus 8, 1 square plus 19 into 1 minus 12. So we have put the value of x equals to 1 because 1 is one of the positive factor of 12. So dear students, 1 cube means 1, 1 square means 1, 1 times 8, again we get 8, plus 19 was 19 minus 12. So dear students, 1 and plus 19 both are positive, so 19 plus 1 we get 20, minus 8 and minus 12, if we add we get 20, and 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. So dear students, after putting the value of x 1 in the given polynomial, we have got the value of the given polynomial is 0. That means x is equal to 1 is one of the root, or we can say one of the solution of the given polynomial equation. Dear students, now to find the other two remaining roots, that means other two remaining values of x, we'll use the synthetic division method. Dear students, now we are going to use synthetic division method to find out the other remaining solution or other two remaining values of x. Dear students, now we are going to find out the other remaining roots of the given polynomial equation. So we are going to follow the synthetic division method. So according to the factor theorem, x minus 1 is a factor of fx, the given polynomial. So dear students, when we put the value of x equals 1 in the given polynomial, then the value of the given polynomial is equal to 0. That means according to the factor theorem, x minus 1 is one of the factor of the given polynomial. Dear students, now we are going to divide the polynomial x³ minus 8x square plus 19x minus 12 by using the synthetic method of division. So we are going to divide it by the factor x minus 1. So the value of x is 1. So according to the synthetic division method, already we know x minus 1 is a factor. That means x equals to 1 is the solution, one of the solution, or we can say one of the root of the given polynomial. So we'll divide now fx, that means the given polynomial, by 1. So dear students, now we are going to divide the given polynomial by 1. So according to synthetic division method, we have to take the coefficient of the terms of the given polynomial. The coefficient of first term is 1. The coefficient of second term is minus 8. The coefficient of third term is 19. And the last constant term is minus 12. So dear students, now the first coefficient we keep as it is. The first number we keep as it is. Then we multiply 1 and this 1. 1 ones are 1. We get 1. Then by adding minus 8 and 1, we get minus 7. 1 times minus 7, we get minus 7. 19 minus 7, we get 12. Now again we multiply 1 with 12. 1 into 12. 1 times 12, we get 12. And after adding, we get plus 12 minus 12 means 0. So dear students, the last number is the remainder and it must be always 0, because we know x minus 1 is a factor. So if we divide any polynomial by its factor, then the remainder must be 0. Dear students, now the quotient. So these are the coefficient of the quotient. The degree of the first term of polynomial is x³. So after dividing the given polynomial by x minus 1, the degree of the polynomial will decrease by 1. So the degree of the first term is 3. So now the degree of the first term will decrease by 1. That means the degree of x will be 2 for the first term, and this 1 is the coefficient. So 1 times x square, we get x square minus 7. This is the coefficient of the second term of quotient, and the variable term will decrease the power by 1. That means the power of the first term is x power is 2, the power of the second term will decrease by 1, and then the last term is constant. So this means we have got the quotient x square minus 7x plus 12. Now we'll factorize it by first into last method. Dear students, if we multiply first number and last number, we get 12 ones are 12. Now we have to break down the middle number 7 by taking the two factors of 12. 3 4s are 12. So if we multiply 3 and 4, we get 12, and 3 plus 4, we get 7. So this we can write 3 plus 4, x as it is, plus 12. Dear students, now minus 3 times x, we get minus 3x, minus plus minus 4 times x, we get minus 4x, and plus 12 as it is. So if we take x common, then we get one of the factor x minus 3, then minus. If we take 4 common, then the remaining factor will be minus plus minus 3. So dear students, x minus 3 is the common factor. X minus 3 is the common factor. And another factor is x minus 4. Dear students, we know that any polynomial can be written as the product of quotient and divisor plus remainder. So if a polynomial is given, we can write it as quotient times divisor plus remainder. So dear students, quotient, we have got x minus 3, x minus 4 in the factorized form, and the divisor is x minus 1, which is the first factor of the given polynomial. So divisor is x minus 1 and remainder is 0. So by synthetic method of division, we have got remainder 0. So dear students, our polynomial is equal to 0. The given polynomial equation is x³ minus x square plus 19x minus 12 equals to 0. So the given polynomial is equal to 0. Dear students, now we are going to find the value of x. So we have got three factors. Dear students, we have got three factors: x minus 3, x minus 4, and x minus 1. See if we do either or. So dear students, we have got three factors. So supposing first factor as 0, x minus 3 equals 0, we get the value of x is equal to 3. Again, by supposing the second factor equals to 0, we get the value of x equals to 4. And the third factor is x minus 1. So the value of x is equal to 1. So dear students, we have got the three values of x, or we can say three roots of the given polynomial. First one is x is equal to 3, then second one is x equals to 4, and third one is x equals to 1. So altogether we have got three roots of the given polynomial, which are 1, 3, and 4. So dear students, this is the required solution of the given polynomial equation. So dear students, in order to solve any polynomial equation, at first we have to suppose the given polynomial as fx. Then we find out all the possible factors of the constant term. Then we choose the value of x from the possible factors of constant, which give us the value of the given polynomial 0. That means we satisfy the given polynomial equation. Dear students, after finding one of the root of the given polynomial, we use synthetic division of method. Then we get quotient. We factorize the quotient. Then after factorizing the quotient, we know that any polynomial can be written as the product of quotient and divisor plus remainder. We put the value of quotient in the factor form, and divisor is x minus 1, which is one of the factor of the given polynomial equation, which we have found by hit and trial method. Dear students, then we know that fx is equal to 0. The given polynomial equation is equal to 0. So after getting three factors, we get the first value of x, that means the first root of the given polynomial equation, then the second root and the third root, and we get altogether three roots of the given polynomial equation. Test is the given polynomial equation is a cubic equation. So a cubic equation has three roots. That means the three values of x will satisfy the given equation. So we have got three roots of the given polynomial equation, which are 1, 3 and 4. So dear students, I hope you have understood how to solve a polynomial equation by using synthetic division of method and using the factor theorem. So dear students, thanks for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with a new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.